This is Megha teacher, and today we will continue with the third part of this chapter, lesson number 5, natural disaster. And today we will cover floods. Okay. Now, flood. The flood of excess of water in a river is called flood. So this is the definition of the flood. What do you mean by it? The flow of excess water in a river is called flood. Flood occurs due to the two main reasons. First is heavy rain in the upper course of a river. The upper course of the river, when that particular place have lot of rainfall, then it has heavy rainfall in the upper course of the river, it causes flood. Second, if a dam on river breaks, flood occur in the lower lying area of the river on the river bank. If a dam or river breaks, flood occur in the lower lying area of the river bank. Now we will continue with the famine. Now, scanty rainfall or very less rainfall lead to the drying up of the groundwater and shortage of food and water. This condition is known as famine. The condition of famine occur in case of scanty rainfall or no rainfall for continuous 2 to 3 years. The possibility of famine is less if we plant more number of trees. Now next part we will cover is cyclone. The simple meaning of cyclone is air which blows at a great speed. It can be called a storm or whirlwind. The coastal areas of India experience cyclone every year. The eastern coast especially experience it every year. The adjacent regions also feel the effects of cyclone when it is at its highest intensity. However, these winds affect a limited area for a limited period of time only. So this is called cyclone. Now we will continue with the forest fire. What do you mean by forest fire? And friction between the dry branches of a tree and other factor causes forest fire. It causes great amount of damage to the forest resources. Obviously, the trees also get turned into ashes, and even it is danger for the animals. Many of the animals die. Next is landslide. So in both these pictures, you can easily make out what is the meaning of the landslide. See here, down below the house and here on the road. The sliding of large mass of rock material, soil, etc. down the side of the mountains or cliffs is termed as landslide. Two factor causes landslide: excessive rainfall or an earthquake. So landslide takes place because of two reasons. First, maybe heavy rainfall or earthquake. For example, in the rainy season, the railway transportation in Konkan gets obstructed due to landslides. So this is what we have finished. We have covered forest fire, landslides, drought and famine, and flood. So this is where I finish with the third part of this chapter. Goodbye.